you know, whether it's Greeks or the Italians or younger people like us in the Donda, you know, try and bridge that gap, because too long, you know, there's been a lot of you know, tension amongst black and white, and you know, we want to try and bridge the gap for everybody.
That's awesome that you're bringing two such very different styles together. Do they work well together, the two themes? Why did you match those two up?
Well, I just, you know, I believe that in the results that we've been getting, you know, bringing the two together, and response has been enormous. You know, it's been just about around the world.
So you're saying that you're a fisher people, and the Zorba people, the Zorba style is sort of a fisherman thing as well, is it?
Well, yeah. Well, we're coastal people. You know, we're saltwater people, and you know, it relates to us as well. But also, the boys, they like their techno music, and they want to, you know, they performance themselves in their own right. We do traditional dancing as well, so we're trying to bridge the gap between, and people just love them. You know, the humour, you know, it's all there.
So, what do you hope for you and your boys here on Australia's Got Talent?
Well, we hope that to showcase and you know, do our little bit here. You know, now it's been the first time for us, and we're looking forward to you know, catching up, and maybe, you know, going to do our best. You know, even though we've never come to big shows like this before, but who knows? You know?
And your first time to Melbourne? Been a good trip?
I've been here a few times, but first time for the boys, and I did that little clip. It goes for about 3 minutes. I didn't know it's going to be that, you know. And these boys are celebrities themselves, and you know, they've made over 600,000 hits, you know, in just under 3 months.
On the website?
Yeah, on the website. I can't believe it.
So you've become a phenomenon overnight for your styles and mixing it up.
You know.
How big do you think you could be?
I don't know. Just gonna keep on, you know, counting down the, you know, every time that people view it, and you know, I just can't believe it. You know, the amount of calls I get emails just about every day. You know, it's out there.
What do you think it is about you and the boys that has captured the imagination? You said they've become celebrities. What is it about your performance that everyone's really, really liking?
Well, one of the things that, you know, that's we have you know, the humour there. You know, we do you know, like a fun thing. You know, where we entertain people for it relates to any people, any age group, right across the board.
Yeah.
You know, it's there for everyone to, you know, laugh about things, and that's why I like about the Zorba. You know, it's been done different. I know the original Zorba, and